There are many more elaborate designs to come.
Hey, going around the bridge.
But as for right now, it's pretty cool that he can walk all the way around this train table.
Daddy, we're going. Daddy, it's going. Go down the bridge. This Tony hat. It's the station master. Bye-bye, Thomas. See you later. I'm going to get up the bridge. Going to bye-bye. On that train track. Bye-bye, station master. On the top of the bridge. On the top of the freight cars. There's the red freight car. There's the cruise.
What do the silly freight cars say?
Should say the freight cars. Mommy, Daddy, Thomas is putting the freight cars. Thomas is
Nathan, can you look at me?
yes,
Who are you playing with?
Thomas.
What does Thomas say?
Choo choo. Daddy, it blew us in the tunnel. Daddy, Thomas, sees and does. Match, you're coming. Daddy, Thomas is going on the. Daddy, Thomas is going to the bridge. Daddy, you see more ducks.
Oh, he sees more ducks?
Daddy, see more ducks swimming in the water.
What do the ducks say?
Quack, quacks.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, more ducks. See you later. Thomas is going bye-bye. Going to see Sir Tobin. Going to see Station Master. Daddy, Thomas is going